Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change style of closed captions and subtitles on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So it is literally going to work on every iPhone that you can get on the market. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit and tap on accessibility. Once you are here, you want to swipe down and go to the subtitles and captioning. So just tap on that. Once you are here, you are going to enable the closed captions if you want to, and also you want to go to the style to change the style. And once you are here, you can choose between the styles that are here, so transparent background, large text, classic, or just outline text. As you can see, you can search between those two, and the preview is going to be right here. Also, we can create a new style, but we have another video on our channel how to do it, so be pleased to go to that video to get to know that. Again, how to get to those settings. So open the main settings, tap on accessibility, swipe down, type on subtitles and captioning, and here go to the style. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.